Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add electronics business leads to Google Sheets. Suppose I am having an electronic shop and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheets in a form of a new row so that I could create a good record of all my Facebook leads for electronic business. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a record of our Facebook leads for electronic business by adding the details of the same leads into Google Sheets automatically. Okay, now in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options here: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and also we can create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can save your workflows by creating multiple folders accordingly. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box is appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all provide a name. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for electronic business. Okay, now after giving the name, you can also select the folder in which you want to save your workflows. From the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and after selecting the folder, let's click on create. As we do that, two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate it. And the actions are going to follow the same command. So let's suppose here in this workflow, we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that same lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And automatically by using the same response, a new row should be added in our Google Sheet along with all the details of that same lead. Okay, so here our action is following what the trigger commands. So now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and our trigger application here will be Facebook lead ads. And now let's select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So here our trigger event will be new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response the workflow should get start. Okay, now after selecting the trigger event, let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. And here after selecting add new connection, we will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And we can find automatically our authorization has become successful. Since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and Facebook lead ads account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So after making the connection, let's move further. And here we have to enter two details: page and the lead gen form. Now, in order to understand this, let me take you to my Facebook account. And after coming here, we can find that this is the page named as Electronics Digital Shop, which I have created for my electronic business. And now I also want to promote this business with the help of lead gen form, which I have created by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting the same form which I have created, automatically the response of that form should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now in order to do that, first of all we will have to select our page and the form which we have created here in this field. Okay, so first of all, let us select the page. The name of my page is Electronics Digital Shop. And after selecting the page, we will select the form also. So here I have multiple options of forms. So I want to select contact form, which I have recently created for generating leads from Facebook lead ads. Okay. So I will select it, and now I want that whenever a person is going to fill this contact form and submit it, then only the response of that form should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay. So after selecting the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with it, let's click on save and send test request. And as we do that, we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. So now what we are supposed to do, we will have to do a test submission in order to capture the response here in Pabbly Connect. How we are going to do that? By submitting this form. And in order to do that, let me take you towards Meta for Developers. Here, after coming on Meta for Developers, we have to go towards My Apps. After selecting My Apps, here we can find some more options. In this, we have to select Tools. After coming on developer tools, here under other developer tools, we will find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Let's select it, and it is going to take us towards lead ads testing tool. So this lead ads testing tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So with this, we are going to test our integration by submitting the form, and as soon as we will submit the form here, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So because I'm not running any live campaign for my business in Facebook page, therefore I will not be able to send the data of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, here I'm using this lead ads testing tool to test my integration and to submit the form so that the response of that form could be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. But in your case, when you will run a live campaign for your business and then you will create a lead gen form, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting that form, the response of that lead will be captured in your Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here we will test our integration by submitting the form. So first of all, let us select the page. This is my page, Electronics Digital Shop. I have selected it, and now we can find that automatically the form associated with this page is selected as contact form. Now we will click on preview form to open it, but before that it is given that if you want to generate a new lead, you also have to delete the existing lead first. Okay, so we will click on this delete lead option to delete the existing lead, and once you will delete the lead, you also have to refresh the page, and again you will select your Facebook page, and the form is already selected. Okay, so this is very important step. Once you will delete your existing lead, you also have to refresh your page, and then again you have to select your Facebook page and the form so that a new form could be open in front of us. Now after this, let's click on preview form, and our form is open in front of us. So this is the contact form which I have created for my shop, Electronics Digital Shop, and I want that whenever a person is going to fill this form with the details, automatically the response of that person will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so because I'm doing a test submission here I'm going to enter dummy details. Let's start with a full name. So I'm going to enter a random name, let's say test user, a random email, and now a random phone number. Done. Click on next, and we will submit this form. After submitting the form, let's cross this and we will move towards Pabbly Connect. And we can find that here, yes, we have received the response automatically. As soon as we have submitted the form there in lead ads testing tool, the response is captured here with all the details, full name, email, and the phone number which we have used in our form. Okay, so now because we have received this response, that means our integration is perfectly successful. So we have successfully connected our lead gen form with Pabbly Connect. We will move further, and here our motive is to add the details which we have received from Facebook lead ads to our Google Sheet in a form of a new row. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet which I have created named as Electronics Digital Shop. It contains the field as name, email, and contact number. Okay, 3 columns, and I want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for my electronics business, automatically a new row should be added in this particular spreadsheet along with all the details of that same lead. In order to do that, we will have to connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, and that we are going to do with the help of our action step. So here we will move towards our action step, and we will select the action application as Google Sheets. And now we will select the action event. So in our action event, we will select add new row, as we want to add a new row whenever a new lead will be generated. Click on connect, and from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Google Sheets account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. We will click on sign in with Google, select the account, and now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google account as it is 100% safe. So let's click on allow. and automatically our authorization has become successful. So since I was already logged into my Google Sheets account, automatically Pabbly Connect has deducted it, and very easily our Google Sheets account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after building the connection, let's move further, and here we have to enter the details in these fields so that a new row could be added in our spreadsheet. Okay, so first of all it is asking us for the spreadsheet name. My spreadsheet is Electronics Digital Shop, so here I'm going to select the same, Electronics Digital Shop. And we can find that because I have selected the spreadsheet and I have only created one sheet in the spreadsheet, the sheet 1 is already selected over here. Okay, so we will directly move towards the details such as name, email and the contact which we want to add here in this spreadsheet. Okay, so we have received all these details from our earlier response, that is Facebook lead ads response. We are going to use the same response in order to map the details over here. So what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from our previous step. So we will simply select our previous step like this, and here are all the details. Whatever detail we want, we will simply select that and it will be mapped here. So here we want to map the name is given over here. Let's select it and it is mapped. Now because we have mapped this data, whenever a new response will be captured in Pabbly Connect from Facebook lead ads, automatically in this field a new name of a new person is going to come. But if we will enter this data manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically with each and every response, there we use mapping. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now, after mapping the first name, let us also map the email also in the same manner. Email is given over here. Let's select it and it is mapped. At last, we will also map the contact number. So after mapping all the details successfully, let's simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And we can find that we have received the response. So after receiving the response, let us go and check on our spreadsheet. And here we can find that yes, automatically a new row is added over here with the same details, name, email and the contact number which we have received from Facebook lead ads response. So this means that our workflow is perfectly successful. And we have successfully built an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So now let us go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So here we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Google Sheets. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated by filling up the form which we have created in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that a new row will be added in Google Sheets along with all the details of that same lead. In this way, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this is going to help you to automatically create a record of Facebook lead ads for your electronic business in Google Sheets, and that too effortlessly. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.